In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Robux to another account on mobile. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find how. For this method, both the account that's going to transfer the Robux and the account that's going to receive the Robux need to be on a group. The account that's going to transfer the Robux also needs to be the owner of the group in order to manage the payouts of the group. The only way you can do this is by having funds within your group through sales and other methods. After you find out how to acquire funds in your group, what you have to do is go into the group settings by clicking the three dots at the top right corner of the group and selecting Configure a Group from the drop-down menu. In the left column, hover over Revenue and select Payouts. Now, the account that's going to transfer the Robux, aka the group owner, can perform a one-time payout by selecting One-Time Payout from the right side of the screen. You will get a pop-up where you have to include the username of the account that's going to receive the Robux you wish to transfer. You can then select the amount from the group funds and make the transfer straight away. This is the only method to officially transfer Robux to another account, but like I said, it requires you to own a group, to have both accounts in the group, and you need to have group funds. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Robux to another account on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe from our quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.